Hey guys, today I'm discussing a very important topic about the Twitter option. So recently, lot of option will be changing for Twitter. So that all will be learning for into Discourage in a YouTube channel option. So what are the Twitter updates? So what are the updates will be very important on your particular Twitter option. In the Twitter option, first of all, you can come into the post option. They will be suitable by particular category will be in Twitter. There is no change in will be in this particular option. So just we can go for it. We can go for the multiple tweets are possible. But recent update is called previous any link will be not accepting for in the particular Twitter option. Like nothing but when you click for any link will be here. They can't show in the particular Twitter option. For example, I can show my blog option. So what are the content will be there? I'm updating for everything will be Twitter easily. So in this. Recent I'm showing for this option will be how you can posting for large thumbnail option. And discuss this option also will be here in the particular. Just you can changing for 3-line code. We have to share any kind of website link with a large thumbnail option. Same like that. Previous the link will be does not accepting for in a particular Twitter option. Now the link will be accepting for particular Twitter. How to tweet. Now tweet will be done. Now we can go to for particular refresh. No need to sharing for any link will be into the backend part. And one more option, if you sharing through your website, very simple option will be given by the just to you can writing for 3-line code that will be sharing for complete for large image option. Complete for large image option. Now I'm clicking for tweet. So that all will be in the particular option will be given by the in this Twitter option. So just is taking some time the showing for large image particular here. Why? Because I'm writing will be code here in the particular Twitter purpose of large image. This is a 3-line code, nothing. In the header file, we can use this code. You can adding for your website will be to sharing for Twitter. You can sharing for large thumbnail option. Previous, the link will be does not have accepting for in a particular option. Now the link accepting for in the Twitter by link fetching also will be given. The particular Twitter option will be given. Suppose if I'm shared this video, copy, paste it. This. So what are the option will be here? Only particular website links, not for the YouTube links. So just I'm clicking here. Nothing will accept. Just so you can uploading for YouTube image. We're using for in the particular what will be there here. Upload image, click for tweet. Only particular website link when will be used, the link will be fetching for a Twitter option. This is the first important point. Second one point, we can schedule your post will be given in the particular Twitter option. This is the second option will be given by the Twitter. First option, the link will accepting for only for website link. YouTube link does not accept, only accepting for website link. The particular website link accept the particular Twitter option where updating for your particular code for large thumbnail purpose and we can using for small thumbnail purpose in this and schedule post accepted. Comma will be there. Poll creation, GIF images, photo and video uploading. Video will be does not change the video uploading for 2 minutes 20 seconds. There is a compulsory important will be here. Twitter update. Same will be there. 280 characters. Image upload. Multi-image upload. Video upload. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Just here one more question is there. Recently I'm received one comment from one user. So my video will be 10 minutes or 11 minutes. Suppose my video will be here, 10 minutes. Upload it. The video is uploaded, but we can't tweet. So my video is uploaded, but I'm unable to post. That mean by when your video will be 2 minutes 20 seconds, easily uploaded. The video will be received from Twitter, but they can't upload by the Twitter profile. Why? The video need by the 2 minutes 20 seconds will be compulsory required in this. Select your post. Select option will be here and update. Automated post will be done by in this option. Why? It is only less than 2 minutes 20 seconds. It's a GIF image or video image. So compulsory video will be required for 2 minutes 20 seconds. Next will be we can go for schedule post. The schedule post will be given new update in this here. Particular year will be taking for up to only for in this option here. The tweet more than 18 months of the future. Only we can give by 18 months future will give the particular tweet schedule post. 18 for 18 months. Suppose select here September, October, November, December. So you can go for January, February, up to January is accepted. So this is the particular 18 months scheduled by the particular Twitter option. And very most important, Twitter showed story updated. Just I'm showing here. So yes, one more update is called coming to mobile application. The store updation will be story update will be here. Just one click here. Here we can writing for text or we can go download here. So what are the option will be there? We can click for felt. This option will be here. How many images you can add by any number of images will be accepted in a particular post. Here will be click for felt. So this all will be where you can show it for here will be option in the particular sharing for the story button option. Who will be watch the story option? So who will be follow your Twitter? They are uploading for in the particular story will be affected by in this option. Now coming to the post here, just here and copy the website link here. Come to the website, go to particular link. Copy the link. This link I'm copying here. I'm checking for your mobile version. Is accept or not? Go to Twitter. Twitter here. Publish the URL. See this. Website URL accept or not? Now click for tweet. Now tweet will be done. So particularly we can check further here. Same we can go to your Twitter. This. Again showing for large thumbnail option. The based on which code, this is a 3-line code will be important. So this complete video will be there. Go to my channel. Here is accepted. So any website link is accepting Twitter or not, they will accept a particular option. Now we have doubt will be there. I can ask him for one more website. So just go to this. How we can showing that URL. Copy. Paste. Now you can check. See this. The URL can't show will be in the particular option will be where? In Twitter option. The main reason I'm not update this code for in the particular website option. So this is called method we can follow instructions for the Twitter updates. This update will be help to posting content for the Twitter option. Once post, we can't delete. So any website link appear on the Twitter wall, compulsory update by 3-line code. This compulsory update you have to take from the Twitter update version, the particular line of code. In this username, just you can update by your Twitter username enough. Where you can find out the username, go to profile. This is your username. I'm not update this one. I'm update further in the particular option will be in the Rocket Solutions. So this is a way to activate your particular website link fetching for Twitter option. Anyone asking question, can you fetching for website link on Twitter? Yes, will be fetch. What the code? Twitter card, content, summary, iPhone, large iPhone image, Twitter site, Twitter creator for the particular Twitter username. Use this update and activate your particular post on the website link on your Twitter option. These are the compulsory important. Some image will be not showing for large image. This time you have to refresh for Control F5. That index URL compulsory important on the Google search engine option. The compulsory mandatory field to index on the particular field option will be here. So we are showing for in the URL will be like this. So posting will be they showing for small option. So when coming to the large option, we have to compulsory using for this post to showing for large option purpose. So this is a method we have to follow that to enable the website link for large thumbnail purpose. Use this code and we can do the schedule post on the Twitter. And the last option will be we have to engage customer updating for story option. The compulsory have to follow instruction, update the links, and increase the your Twitter followers based on the post. So instruction we can follow and increase the viewers and increase the followers and engage your analytics option based on your post. These are all compulsory important. Increase the profile visit and followers, impression and the tweets. The complete dependent by the tweet option along with the user friendly post. This update will be given from the complete new interface. And further any information required, we have to go for option will be, the option will be studio.twitter.com. This will be supporting media.twitter.com. What are the things will be required? We can go this option. And third one option, developers.twitter.com. This is a complete for ad options. Everything will be given by the in this position. We can go to what are the codes are required. Search API, ads API, engagement API, direct message API, account activity API, embed tweet. This all will be given by the in the particular developers code. This is a complete for media sector. How will we product the Twitter media? This all will be entertainment, sports, news, creators. This all will be reading for every option. So what are the updates will be given? Any futures will be not appear. Everything will check by in this option will be here. Second will be media library. That is studio, producer, insight, schedule post. These all option. Some people will be not enabled by studio option that is required based on your post. Studio main purpose to create live stream on the particular Twitter post, pre-recorded video. These all features are more important for the Twitter updaters. These follow instructions and update on your Twitter post and getting live streaming pre-recorded video based on your tweet post and upload the videos on the media library. These all will be compulsory important. The library will enable by each and every positions. Here will upload the media and start will be every option will be there, the particular option. So here, copy. This media, what will help? Your compulsory question is there. This anytime we can tweet the particular Twitter. What option will be? Promote only. Promote only we can go for in the particular ad option. Tweet. Here one more option will be called schedule post also will be there. In the tweet time, we have to enable by the, that is called retweet purpose. Suppose a new post will be there. We can tweet by the old post. Go to studio.twitter.com library option. We can check the each and every post. What are the posts you done by previously to updating purpose here. Just click this option. This is the main reason purpose to engage audience on the Twitter. That mean by increasing for followers and your particular reaching for guidelines. So what are the posts you done by previously? These all will be helped by the particular tweet option. So in this, click for tweet. These all will be under coming to the particular Twitter post option. So this all will be used. Studio, media, developers use the each and every options to understanding each and every coding to update on your website to all options to activate further each and every post will be in the Twitter option. If you further any doubts are required, please ask me in my channel comment box. I'll definitely help about the Twitter option. What other option will be needed? And one more thing, guys, a lot of people worry about that I'm not enabled by cards. Is a major people will be accessing for your updates. Any people when you're understanding for ads time, they have to enable showing option will be given for the card option. The card main purpose to the post web selling along with the image and video purpose. There is a app promotions, that is a website promotion, YouTube promotion. This will be enabled based on your post when enabled by your Twitter ads. After that, the enable card based on the Twitter position. Some option will be not enable nothing, but your post is compulsory considered by Twitter to enable by each and every options. If I'm maintaining the three Twitters, some Twitter will be some option will be not considered. Why? I'm just posting for parallelly one or two. Which posting will be regular? You can do the particular Twitter. The Twitter will enable by each and every options on the particular Twitter. So that is use. Twitter cards are more important, media library important. Twitter cards, Twitter, media library. These all will be considered and focus here. When you're updating for regular tweet and impressions, you enable by the Twitter cards and the Twitter media library option. That the time we can go to where? Twitter live, pre-recorded video. In this video purpose, we can go to my channel. And already I'm recording that video. We can check that video in my channel. I'll give the complete structuring how we can creating for pre-recorded video with the live streaming option on the Twitter here. So this will be help that depend on your Twitter post. When your engagement tweet and very important is called, you have to follow the hashtags. This is a very important. You follow hashtag will be the trending, news, sports, fun. Here is the setting here as your location wise also. You can trending will be dependent by the location wise also. So here, what are the trending will be here? We can use this in the particular trending option. So here, this will be trending we can use on the particular Twitter and engage your audience and weekly posting also. So what today will be done by what date? Tuesday. We can go for Tuesday. Tuesday they give vibes already 90 tweets in the last hour. And today thoughts, today motivation, today mood, today morning, today treat. I'm giving the today vibes. I'm setting your post. So what are the posts you will be live here? So in this option will be here. So what I'm posting will be here. I'm posting for what are the things here. Tweet. So this is all your particular tweet you have to use on the particular option will be in the Twitter. So these all mean by to increase the followers and updates will be going on the Twitter option. Compulsory previous website link is not navigation will be not possible. Now navigation will be possible by the use of the code. The code will be used to activate your links on the particular website to Twitter option. This compulsory use this method and increase your followers, engagement, and increase your business based on the Twitter option. So this is update for will given by the Twitter option.